Hi everyone, Liam here. Today I'm going to teach you a move called the charge. Now, as you can see, I've switched to an acrylic ball here. That's because, well, you can do this with a stage ball, but it's generally much more effective with an acrylic. For all the moves in contact juggling, on the ratio of difficulty level to crowd reaction, this has the biggest crowd reaction for the least difficulty level. So let's have a look at it. It's pretty easy to learn, but it does take a while to master just to get the look right. So what we're going to do is we're going to grip the ball like this, okay? Fingers interlocked, thumbs together at the back. And what we're going to do, the secret to this one is we're just going to hold the ball like that. Ring finger and opposite thumb, okay? Find whichever one's more comfortable for you. For me, it's this side. Okay, so we're just going to gently lift everything off the ball. I'm just holding it like this so you can see. So you'll be like this. The crowd won't be able to see your thumbs. Okay, and we're just going to bring our hands apart like this, okay? So ring finger and thumb are holding the ball, okay? And just bring them out and in like this, okay? Lifting everything off the ball except that thumb and ring finger. So looking from the front, we're just doing that, okay? And it will look like nothing is really touching the ball. So once you've got that movement down, you can start adding a bit of drama effect to it. So you can bring it out and wobble it around a bit. As you can see, I'm just rolling my thumb and ring finger around like that. You can also push it out as you go. You can blow on it like I did before. You can go up like this. You can come into, a pinch like that and then go into your enigma. There's a few things you can do, but a really good move if you're, if you want to show off to your friends, or if you get to the point where you're, performing in front of people, you're in the middle of something, you can grab the ball and just go like that. And yeah, always gets a good crowd reaction. So there you go, that's the charge. Have a play around with it. It's a good one to go to if you're struggling with some of the harder stuff and you just want to try something that is easily achievable and you can make progress on. So yeah, enjoy it, and I'll see you on the next lesson.